everybody, I hope you're having a great day. I am all shook about this unboxing. I know what you're asking. What's up with my hair? It's terrible today. Okay, no. So I anticipate that I will go off about these products. I will be talking about them. I'll be in love with them. That I don't think I can keep this video to anything remotely close to short. So I'm going to speed up this video. So if you like it and you like short videos, give us a thumbs up. If you're like, nah, I don't think I can do this, give it a thumbs down. I want to know what you guys think. Also, if you are new to me in this channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, and then I will link a video above and below about our subscriber giveaway. So, for reals, I'm excited. Now, I have all of the financial breakdown in the description, so let's get to it. And if you want to see or know anything more about the products in here, you can look below. Okay, let's do this. I'm really excited. I'm so excited. I think I'm really excited because it's like free. 90% of my order is free. I don't know, girls. And guys, I'm really excited. And I'm really excited because I got things that I don't think I normally would ever. I wouldn't have for a while. So I don't know. I'm just like, all. Let's get going. Oh, and the little newsletter. I love this little newsletter. I feel loved. The fact that they give me this newsletter, I think it sounds stupid, but I feel loved. The Wolfberry Trail Mix bars. Oh, girl, I'm gonna have to try that. Okay. Whoa, what's that? What is that? Okay, this is Balance Complete Vanilla Cream. Oh, I didn't even know I had a flavor. That's cool. I don't have glasses, so hopefully everything comes in focus. So this is basically a meal replacement powder. And it is part of the 5-day nutritive cleanse. So first of all, I didn't even know this. Sorry, my camera is normally over here. I did not know this, but Young Living has a kit for the 5-day nutritive cleanse. And I didn't know that, and I bought each thing separately. But just to let you know. So at the very first day of February, I'm going to start a 5-day cleanse, and then I'm going to jump into a diet. But Balance Complete is part of that. It is supposed to be not just any old meal replacement supplement. It also is supposed to be almost like a superfood. So it's got 11 grams of fiber, so it's supposed to keep you feeling full. And it also is supposed to keep you really energized. Also it does like a cleanse. So this is supposed to absorb toxins in your GI tract and help flush them out. So it's kind of interesting. So I'm excited about this, and this is for the cleanse that I'm doing in February. Okay, let me get this out of the way. So I got Nisha Red again. I got the combo packet to give them a try, and then once I got them, I decided to actually save them for the cleanse. So I've only used a handful. So I basically just got more bottles. Okay, I always open at the wrong end. Oh snap. Okay, this is the Digest and Cleanse. So this is another thing that I'm using for the 5-day nutritive cleanse. So it does exactly what it says, is that it helps promote, it does a couple of things actually. It helps promote healthy digestion, it helps decrease cramping, gas, and bloating, I believe. And it has peppermint, it has a couple of different essential oils in it. It's supposed to help also flush out toxins in your GI tract, and so I'm getting it for the cleanse. Okay, what do we do first? Okay, let me do this first. So, this sounds really simple and kind of not interesting, but I got shampoo and conditioner. So, I have not been telling you guys this, but everything I've shown so far is free. This Nisha Red was free. I got it with rewards points. The Digest and Cleanse was free. I got with reward points. This Balance Complete was free for reward points. Oh, and actually, those are the 3 things I'm going to be using in my cleanse. So, I might not have gotten that stuff before if I couldn't get it for free. When I was building my free quick order, this was something I wanted to try. So, let me start with the shampoo. So, Young Living has a kid shampoo, and then they have 3 different types of shampoo and conditioner lines. So, one is mint, which is supposed to be for just like normal hair. And then there's a second line, which is the lavender volumizing shampoo and conditioner. So, I got the lavender shampoo. And what it does is it has some kind of, I don't want to say astringent properties, but it has really good cleaning properties to help pull off impurities and build up in your hair. And then it also helps hydrate a little bit. I lost some hair volume, so I just wanted this to help kind of almost give the appearance of thickening up my hair. And it has a lot more than just lavender. It has some of these I've never even heard of. Seed oil. Mildew seed oil. Oh, meadow. What? Meadow. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to say for myself. Oh, and jujube. I didn't know that. Lemon, clary sage, lavender, aloe vera. I saw something and at first I thought it said prunes. It doesn't say prunes. Yeah, omega-6. So I got the shampoo for cleansing and volumizing. Okay, so second thing, ba-bam. I got a conditioner that is a super hydrator. So this is the Copaiba Vanilla, and then they have a shampoo and conditioner. But I feel like there's a lot of things going on wrong with my hair right now. I don't know if you can read that. So the Copaiba Vanilla shampoo and conditioner is supposed to be an ultra hydrating shampoo for dry to damaged hair. And so I have some dry, my hair's a little bit dry, I don't know, maybe it's because of winter, but I also dyed my hair, I dyed my hair M-graine, and so that really kind of damaged my hair a bit, and I don't know, it's just not the same. I've also had to change shampoos. I used to use a shampoo, I won't say the name, but it ended up causing hair loss, and so I've been kind of struggling to find a shampoo and conditioner since then, and so I'm really hoping like this will be my jam, basically, so I'm so excited, and it was free! It was free. It was free for me. Okay, let me get some oils in here, because I don't know what's going on. Ooh, okay, so these are free too. These are the 2 promotional items that I got for free. So I got Thieves for placing an Essential Rewards order, and then I got Spearmint for placing an Essential Rewards order that was above 100 PV. So let me start with Spearmint. So Spearmint I don't have, so I'm really excited about this. Let's see if I can get it. Focus. Hopefully y'all can see that. And what I'm really excited about Spearmint, I didn't know this until I was placing my order and I saw that I got Spearmint for free, and then I was like, what's up with Spearmint? And it actually helps with tummy discomfort, and it can help with the normal digestive process. So with my cleanse, I might be needing some Spearmint. But another thing about Spearmint I was reading is that it's got that cool sensation, that kind of minty sensation, but not as strong as peppermint. So if you're not a peppermint girl, Spearmint might be more your jam. So that's that. And also, I think I've mentioned it before, but I'm going to rant a little bit, in that these bottles, I don't have any out right now, but these bottles are in a white label, and that means, and they're labeled Vitality. So the FDA mandates that essential oil producers completely separately label essential oils that can be used internally. And if you notice, it actually says on there 100% pure therapeutic grade essential oil supplement. So there you go. Boom, shakalaka. And then also just know that when they talk about internal use, they only recommend that you do 1 to 2 drops, whether that's in your cooking because it's like super powerful, but also like if you do veggie capsules and stuff like that. Some people mix their own, I did not even know this, but some people mix their own concoctions for like energy and boosting immune systems, and for not being maybe able to go to the bathroom or go to the bathroom too much. They do veggie capsules, and they basically mix essential oils and they put them in veggie capsules. So I didn't even like know that. I was like, okay. So, and then the other one is, so the other promotional items I got was Thieves. And again, this is labeled for internal use. This is from Vitality. And Thieves, so when you look up Thieves Vitality, it's incredibly helpful to boost your immune system. And I didn't know this, but it actually helps with your respiratory system as well. So I was like, oh, all right, it's winter, we can all use some Thieves. And I use Thieves to put in my Ningxia Red every morning. So, interesting. Okay, so let's, I don't know, can we save some last? Let me do. Let's do some more oils. Oh, man. Trauma Life. Okay, so this is not something that I intended to order, but this is something I paid for. So this is my first product that I'm showing you that I paid for. And this is from my Essential Rewards order. Is it really? Hopefully you guys are being able to focus and see. Oh, so Trauma Life is an essential oil blend that really helps emotional support. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. It helps emotional support. I had this in my PV Assist wish list. So basically, you can do PV Assist where you tell Young Living that, hey, I always want to get free products. So make sure I always have 100 points in my Essential Rewards order. And if I don't, pull a product from this list. And so Trauma Life was something that I put, like in the first month of ER, I put that I wanted this eventually. The thing is that this is incredibly expensive. Not incredibly expensive, but it's expensive. And it's also, so they say it's popular, so they limit 1 bottle per account per month. Now, what's coming back to me, there is rose in this. So I believe there is sandalwood and rose in this. And then I'll put on the screen if there's anything else. But there's rose in it, so I think it's also like limiting. Because if y'all know, rose is like too legit to quit. It is expensive. So, okay, so let's do this because I cannot even. I'm like staring at it, and I want to open it up. So Young Living has an art line. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Basically, it's a skincare line. So they have 2. So I actually paid for this, the moisturizer. Look how pretty, first of all, look how pretty this box is. Oh my god, it's glittery! Can you see that? This is like too fancy for me. I've bought some expensive stuff before, but I ain't been so fancy. Oh my god. Oh, I love seeing this seal. I love the way it glitters. Like, this stuff is so gorgeous. Oh my lord, I forgot what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so fancy. Look at this gold. Oh my gosh, okay. 1.7 fluid ounces. So Young Living, the art line, you can see it, has 2 different moisturizers. Oh, look at that. That gold looks sharp. I love that gold look. They have 2 different moisturizers. They have a light moisturizer and an intensive moisturizer. So this is the Art Intensive Moisturizer. And the reason why I bought their intensive moisturizer is because even though I tend to have sensitive skin and combination skin, I tend to have normal to dry skin throughout. I don't know if you've ever been able to tell, but I normally have just dry skin throughout. So I wanted to get the intensive moisturizer, and I did this because, girl, the way they the claims that they say are just too amazing. So it's an ultra hydrating. I think it's ultra hydrating. Ultra hydrating. Not just hydrating, ultra hydrating. And so it's an ultra hydrating, and it's supposed to go in really kind of light, smooth, silky, and then it's supposed to last throughout the day to continue to hydrate your skin, keep your skin looking radiant, and reduce the appearance of fine lines. And I don't know if I should be saying this, but I'm turning 35 in a couple of months, so I need all the anti-aging kind of properties that I can get. Oh my god. So yes, it says it reduces the appearance of aging, ultra hydrating, and then it's also non-allergenic, non-irritating. Oh, okay, this I've never heard. Again, I'm kind of still new to Young Living, or I'm still new to all of it as a whole. I did not know this, but this is 100% plant-based. So I don't remember all the essential oils that are in this, but it's essential oils, coconut oil, but it's all 100% plant-based, which I think is freaking amazing. It's freaking amazing. When I said earlier before that, wait, how do I get it off? Oh, okay, so this is a lever. I don't know, can you see it? See? And then it squirts out the top. That's nice. It's probably going to save you from waste. That's cool. I want to feel it. Oh, wait, what's going on here? Oh, it's priming. I don't want to, all squirt out my face. Oh my gosh. It looks really thick. I don't think you're going to be able to... It looks really thick. Not really thick, scary. Terrible. Ooh, it feels really silky. I'm not just saying this. Ooh. Kind of floral, actually. It feels, I don't know, but it feels really smooth. It actually feels lightweight. It doesn't feel, thick at all. It looks thick. It's really dense. It doesn't feel dense. It feels really... Ooh, it must have something... It has some kind of floral in it. It smells floral. But I don't even feel like I just put really thick moisturizer on my hand, so that's kind of amazing. I like that because I don't like it. I don't like it when I feel so. Another thing is sometimes moisturizers build up on your face and then it sloughs off. So I hate that. Anyway, I don't know why I'm showing you my hand. That doesn't make a difference, but it feels really good, so I'm really excited. And this also came just in time because I will need this in a week. So okay, so for free I bought the cleanser, and Young Living only has one type of cleanser, and it's the gentle cleanser. Let me show you. These boxes are too cute. Why are these boxes too cute? Oh, it's glittery again! Can you see that? Oh my god, you guys. This stuff is too fancy for me. Ooh, it's gold too. It's so cute. It's so fancy. It's so fancy. Oh my god, of course. I love these flowers on it. Are they hibiscus? Girl, give me a shout out. I don't even know. Okay, this is too cool. 100 mLs. Look how gorgeous this is. So the gentle cleanser is supposed to, I believe it has lavender and lemon in there. I'll put up on the screen if I'm just lying to you guys. But look at that, gold. Oh, it's so fancy. It's so fancy. Oh, I love those flowers. I love those flowers. They make me want to go to Hawaii. The gentle cleanser is supposed to be really soft on your skin, but it's really supposed to be nice and astringent and clean away impurities. But one thing I noticed, it says it helps with some, kind of bouncing out your skin tone, radiating, making your skin look radiating. But it also helps with skin rejuvenation. Some of the essential oils like the frankincense, the cocoa, and some of those things help, with your skin health, right? I can't make any claims, so. And this is for free, did I say that? One left. This has gone by too fast today. Oh, M-graine. Okay, I kind of forgot I got this. So M-graine helps with headache relief. And the reason why I got it, and now I make a mix. I make a mix of peppermint, lavender, and pan away, but then I add a couple of drops of stress away because I love the smell of stress away. So I make a migraine mix that works. Ooh. I'm about to edit some of this out. I make my own mix, and it works for my headache relief and some of my other friends' headache relief. But I really wanted to try this so that maybe, I didn't have to mix all the time. And also, this was really interesting because this has peppermint and lavender in it, and it has 4 or 5 different things in there, but it has basil in here. And I was like, what? On your food, basil? So I want to look up basil and see, what's up with that. I won't do it right now because then it's going to put me on another 30-minute tangent, but so I'm excited about M-graine because I do need some headache relief every month, and I don't know, I'm just kind of interested to see the professional version of pain relief, headache relief. What just happened in my life? Okay, you guys, I'm rubbing this on me. So there are a couple of oils. Oh my god, I just rubbed too much on me. there are a couple of oils that when I originally went to the very first Young Living kind of class, like open house, oh my god, I took pictures of essential oils that I loved the smell of. This is one of them. This is something that I've wanted since, I think the very first time I was exposed to Young Living was last, April, maybe? And then I went to my very first Young Living class in July, for the 4th of July, and I am in love with this. So Joy has jasmine, it has lang lang, I think it has rose, I'm pretty sure. I think it has sandalwood, but I could be lying to you about that. So Joy, I think that they say that there are some benefits to Joy. So first of all, I mean, every single essential oil, every single product in the Young Living sphere is like a multitasker. So I know that there is some benefit to this. Like, I think it says it basically helps create warmth and bliss and happiness, right? Some kind of stuff like that. But this is the real first true essential oil I bought because it smells good. And it's really, like, this is what you, I feel like this, for the most part, this is what you diffuse. This is the replacing of that air freshener or that spray or whatever. Like, this is what you use to make your house smell good. You know what I mean? At least for me. But yeah, I know people that use Joy in a combination with other essential oils for, you know, to create like a sense of happiness and a sense of bliss. So, and it was free. If you have Joy, you need to let me know. So, okay, I don't know if I can even show you guys. Can I show you guys? So I literally spent like $114 and got $425 worth of products this month. This is like the best monthly order I've ever made, and I'm about to like lose some stuff. I can't even begin to tell you how happy I can't even believe this. I am excited. I'm gonna go put this in my diffuser right now. I've always done tangerine and lavender. I am now going to do Joy and tangerine for reals. This actually smells like it has a citrusy undertone. Like, it's floral, it hits you floral, then hits you citrusy. Okay, I'm just rambling right now. I am gonna go put this in my diffuser. I am going to go put this in my fridge. I'm gonna go put this stuff in my bathroom. This is going in my shower. Like, this stuff, I may not wait. I might just have to throw those products out and start. I don't know, I'm kind of cheap, so I'm not probably gonna start this. But I cannot wait to start this. And again, February 1st, I'm starting the cleanse. Please pray for me. Because I might need this because I'm pooping out a whole bunch of toxins. Who says that? That's the goal of my life, to poop out a lot of toxins. Yeah. So, you got, I feel like it was my birthday today because I got all this free stuff. And I know some people say, well, you know, you did pay for it in the past, but they didn't have to give me 20% back of every ER order. Like, I spent 312 points this month, but I still have 50 points. Like, I mean, they give 20% back of my order. I don't know. It's just amazing. I feel like it's Christmas. I feel like it's my birthday, and I'm loving it. I just want to go roll around in my essential oils. I don't know. I'm being weird. Okay. I don't want this video to go too long, so I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to cut myself off. I'm going to go. I just want you to know I love you and appreciate you guys all for watching, for clicking, especially to the end. And hopefully you give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'll be back on Monday for an M&M video, and then I'll be back next Wednesday for a Young Living Essential Oils video where I'm taking the products that I've been unboxing and apply them. And so I kind of excited about next week's video. So if you also have anything in particular that you've ever seen me unbox and you want kind of like a follow-up review or a video about it, let me know. Comment below. Also, if you use any products if you use the products in the video, definitely comment below and let me know how you love them. So I'm so excited. I'm going to stop saying I'm excited and say goodbye. So you guys have a great, fantastic, healthy weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye! I'm hoping to help the cleanse, like, change, you know, more in my life. We're wanting to get more into healthy living, but, like, vegetarian style healthy living. So, I don't know, we're from Nebraska and we live in Texas, so it's